Let me guess. You upgraded the camera. You upgraded the lens. You upgraded the computer. But your income, still flat. Your leads, still random. Your business, still suck. If you ever bought better gear and wonder why it didn't move the needle, this episode is for you, my friend. So get ready. This is FlashFilm Academy, where creators build a business, not just a portfolio. This is where you come when you're done listening to sponsored gurus pushing cameras instead of clients. Everything here is battle tested by real content creators in the field, closing real clients. We teach what wins and not what trends. All right, now let's get right into it. Because I want to be clear, this isn't an anti-gear rant. It's a breakdown of why capability doesn't equal income and how leverage does. Inside of FlashFilmAcademy.com, we'll show you how to invest like a business, not like a buyer. Plus a guide to gear ROI that reshapes your next purchases forever. Now, this is the loop most creators don't see. You finally save up, you upgrade to better gear, you tell yourself, now I can charge more, now I feel legit, now clients will take me seriously. You post new samples, you tweak your site, you feel the dopamine rush, and then nothing changes. The leads don't flood in, the projects don't get easier, the money doesn't multiply. And suddenly, that camera isn't the tool. It's the scapegoat. Maybe I need better lenses. Maybe it's the lighting. Maybe I need a second body. It's not the gear, it's the thinking. Now, you've probably done some research because this is where creators start the spiral. Maybe I need time to master it. Maybe I'm still underpricing. Maybe I need more samples first. Maybe the market is slow. All of those sound valid. None of those solve the core issue. Because here's the truth most people avoid. Better tools only help when they're aimed at better opportunities. If businesses don't change, gear is just a more expensive way to stand still. Now, this is where we stop chasing capability and start understanding leverage. Gear increases what you can do. Leverage increases what you get from it. Without leverage, new gear creates new problems. You raise quality, but not income. You feel pressure to use it rather than profit from it. Here's the missing variable: leverage. Gear doesn't create value. Positioning, systems, and strategy do. You didn't buy the wrong camera. You skipped the step where gears turn into momentum. Now, this is where I stop. Because if I go deeper on here, people will hear gear doesn't matter and walk away with the wrong lesson. Inside of FlashFilm Academy, we'll walk through where gear actually gives you an edge, what makes gear valuable in business, and how to shift from buyer to operator. Plus a full breakdown of gear ROI, math to guide future upgrades. That's what the Academy is here for. Not to kill your passion, but to make your tools work for you, not against you. All right? In part 2, we'll fix that. And it's available to our members in FlashFilm Academy. Now that we've identified a problem you didn't know you had, and we told you how to fix it, good luck on fixing it. Unless you're a FlashFilm Academy member, because we're about to get into part 2, where I am going to walk you through everything you need to know. But just like with everything else, if your foundation is not there, these tips won't matter. That's why we teach them on the inside, where we understand what foundation you have in place so that we can build on it, and not out here where you're going to take bits and pieces and try to apply it to your terrible foundation, and then you're going to cuss me out and come back and hate me because it don't work. We don't work like that. To know where you're going, we got to know where you start. All right? As always, be inspired, be creative, but let's make this the year you're profitable. All right? See you on the inside if you're coming. Some of y'all gonna be on the outside, and that's cool. See y'all in the next video. But for those that's ready to use this in 2026, the next video is ready. Let's go.
Hey, this is Tony at Corporate Level Media. Before joining FlashFilm, we were charging about $300 a job. Now we charge no less than $3,500. The Academy is definitely worth it, alongside the community of all the like-minded people. But the tools and tricks he gives you to start your business the right way and to be profitable, I mean, what else can you ask for?